In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Google Ads EA's admin access. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the key settings that keep your account organized and your team's access under control. First, open your Google Ads account by going to the main dashboard. If you work with multiple accounts, take a moment to confirm you're in the right one. A quick check here helps you avoid making changes in the wrong place and keeps your workflow clean. Next, click Admin. Depending on your interface layout, this may appear as the Tools and Settings menu at the top right, represented by a wrench or gear icon. From there, choose Preferences. This page is designed to let you tailor the account to your workflow. It's where you can tidy up the account name so it's easy to identify, fine-tune notification settings so you only receive alerts that matter, and manage features like auto-tagging to ensure your performance data flows correctly into your analytics tools. Think of Preferences as your control room for how the account behaves day to day. A practical tip here: adopt a clear naming convention for your account and campaigns and set notifications to highlight only the events that require your attention. This keeps your inbox manageable while ensuring you never miss a critical update. Now move to Access and Security. This is the hub for managing users and protecting your account. Here, you can see who currently has access, what level of permissions they have, and which manager accounts are linked. It's the right place to align access with responsibilities, ensuring people have the level they need to do their work, no more, no less. For example, someone handling reporting might only need read access, while a strategist or account owner may need administrative rights. Regularly reviewing this list is a smart habit. Remove access for anyone who no longer needs it, and verify that key team members retain the appropriate level. If you don't see access and security, it likely means your own permissions are limited and you'll need an admin to adjust them. That's the essential flow. Open your Google Ads account, head to Admin, visit Preferences to optimize how the account operates, and use access and security to manage who can do what. Keeping these areas tidy not only improves your workflow, it also strengthens your account's governance and safeguards your data.